Hi there, my name's Rod. I'm a professional puppeteer and puppet maker. I've come here mostly because I have done a lot of puppetry and a lot of different things, a little bits of marionettes and things, but in actual fact I haven't done fine marionettes, and stringing is always a bit of an issue. I usually make for other people and very rarely make for myself, and so this is just an opportunity. This is almost a holiday in between commitments, and so it's been, and I've come from Melbourne. So it's a fairly long way, but it's been a very, very enjoyable experience, and there's little techniques that Ricky has told me about, or sort of things that he's found in his way in which he does things that I've taken on, and I've actually learned quite a lot about his method, which is different to mine, but it's also very, it's incredibly valid. With puppetry, the first rule is there are no rules, and the second rule is if you make a rule, stick to it, and that's what he's done, and that's why he's so successful. And he's also got great hands for this work. So it's been a very interesting experience. I love it. Thank you.